Hello friends, we are currently at a strawberry farm in the US state of California. In today's video, we will discover how these farms grow and get the billions of strawberries per year. So let's start. Here is what a strawberry farming seeding preparation facilities look like. Top strawberry roots will be chosen and planted on authorized roads. While the seeding preparation is going on in the field, in order to welcome guests, this workman will raise the beds and prepare the dirt. The tens of thousands of strawberries plants that will be planted here. California's entire strawberry farming area as of 222. Inside the wiring, covering 37,000 acres, two-thirds of which is the Santa Maria area. There are thousands of strawberries plants already for planting. Mid to August is when strawberry planting takes place on many farms in California. Currently in California, more than 10 different varieties of strawberries are produced. So, planting and harvesting times for each variety are also different whenever you go to California. You can buy strawberries because they are harvested all year round here. After the strawberry planting process is completed, their workers will install watering system. Strawberries are a crop that needs regular watering, especially during the fruiting season. On average, each strawberry tree needs about 2 inches of water per day. Most varieties of strawberries grown in California take about 2 or 3 months to flower, and the time from falling to harvest lasts about 4 to 6 weeks. When the flowers appear, millions of honeybees will be transported here to pollinate. They are the hard worker of companies that provide pollination service from the fruit trees. These strawberries are reap a new harvest to place. Every year, about 55,000 workers flock to strawberry farm in California to work. The wages of the workers will be calculated according to the number of boxes of strawberries. The peak on average each person will earn about $50 per hour according to the statistics. Accounting for 91% of the total strawberry production of the country, the strawberry industry's revenue is $2.1 million per year. Even when it rains, the strawberry harvest still takes place in this farm. These are the final jobs of a strawberry crop. This will be cleared up and the new crop will come about 2 weeks. What do you think of the video's depictions of the cultivation and harvesting of strawberries? Tell us what you think in this video's comment section. We will look at a Florida strawberry crop at the end of the video. The United States' second largest strawberry producer. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks.